Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you how to make your own galaxy jars. We have done this once before, a different way, so we're going to make galaxy jars with different supplies today. We'll call it Galaxy Jars 2.0.
All right, for this project, what we need and what's in your kit, you'll find we've got some mica powder. Okay, it's like a silver powder. We've got some color changing tablets. You should have two in there. That means if you'd like, you could combine the two to make a whole new color. Or you could just use one of them. We've also got our little container here. It's got a screw top to it. Okay. And what are the other things that we'll need?
You'll need some water, and you'll just need something to mix with. So we're just going to use like a popsicle stick today. A spoon will work, anything like that. Did it stick to your shirt?
It's stuck to my shirt. All right. First steps. I'm going to use one tablet. I'm going to put it into the cup and I'm going to fill it up with some water. So I think you should do that too. Would you like blue or purple?
Purple.
Purple. Ooh, that looks cool already. I'll use blue.
It's fizzing. It's a fizzy tablet.
Is it?
Did you know that?
I did not. Got the extra special fizzy tablets. So just stir up your tablet with the water until it dissolves.
So the other thing you can do is, if you want to add more or different color to your galaxy jar, rather than using the tablets in your kit, you could also use food coloring for this to color the water.
It's mixed in, it's dissolved. Our next step is to just add the mica powder.
The mica powder is what's going to give your galaxy jar a really cool swirl effect. I think in the past when we made these, we had used the cotton ball and the glitter, and that looks very cool, but it doesn't move at all. With this, when we're all done, you'll get an actual swirl going on in your galaxy jar.
That's why it's 2.0. It's a little better. It's better than the last time. Be careful with the mica powder. It can kind of get everywhere. So, you know. And it'll get on your hands quite a bit. It's kind of like graphite.
Hypothetically, I wouldn't know from experience, but it can get on your hands, and then you can accidentally wipe it on your face. Goes everywhere.
Walk around all day with it on your face.
Hypothetically. Oh, oops.
Ooh. This is looking good already.
So once the powder's in there, give it a good stir, and you're going to see that really cool swirl effect already taking place.
So after you've added your mica powder in, put that cap on pretty tight. Now don't over tighten it. They can kind of strip and they could kind of pop off. If you'd like to be a little more secure with it, you can go and add some glue to this lid so that it won't leak. Okay, but we suggest keeping it so the lid is up, so you're not turning it upside down. But once that's done, you kind of give that a swirl, and we should be able to. Yeah, there you go. A little galaxy in a bottle. And that's it. We're all done.
Wait, I went the wrong way. And that's all. You can decorate the jar some more if you like. You can add stuff to it, but otherwise, that's your galaxy jar.
That's it. Yeah, thanks. We need a bigger set.